What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice, man. I am back, baby, with another lit video, man. Welcome back to the channel, all my OGs. Y'all know what go down. Y'all know what I say, man. Welcome back, all my new people, man. Hey, man, welcome to the channel, man. Y'all, if y'all new, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, man. Click that notification bell before we even get started in this stuff, man, because you don't want to miss none of these videos I got dropping on YouTube, because there's always some good content going on with these cars and trucks. You feel me? And if you like any of the content that you never watch, man, just leave a like on the video after you're done watching or during the video, man. If you like any part of the video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up for your boy, you feel me? It just help YouTube know that you like my videos, you want me to do more and want me to do better. And that's what I do for y'all, for us, for we, for the people, you feel me? Yeah, but anyway, man, I'm rambling on, man. But if you got any questions, comments, or opinion, y'all don't be scared, man. Just leave that in the comments box below, baby, because I try to talk back. You feel me? Hey, sitting in Big X today. We working on Big X today. Hey, man, we finna try to finish these lights up. Today we working on the cab lights and stuff. Watch this heat. Got a little bit of content for y'all today, baby. Yes, sir. Alright. We got Big X out, man. It's been raining every day down here in Texas. And as I've seen on the previous video, as we've been taking all these lights out and trying to turn Big X into something, we got the tow mirrors on, we got the front end headlights and corner markers in, you know what I'm saying? We got the tail lights on, the third marker, the tailgate LED strip in the back, and big Tierra grill gang, big Tierra grill, yes sir. Quit playing them games. And as you can see, if you tell by the truck, something kind of threw it off. The real car people know what's up, man. Them cab lights. Yes, sir. See them? Them cab lights. It is time for them cab lights to come off. You hear me? It's time for them cab lights to come off, and they finna come off now. We got them smoke blinkers, them tow mirrors. Oh, yeah. Got this smoke LED third light. Oh, yeah. Y'all seen the previous video. Y'all been seeing us build this thing and turn it into something. We just got it not too long ago. Yes sir, got them LED smoke tail lights both sides. Yes sir. So man, subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content, man, because we always got some good heat going on over here. And I'm telling y'all, it's about to go down. Y'all see this? They gotta go. I don't like these rusty bolts, and I'm glad that the new ones come with new bolts and new gaskets and new everything, new lights. So let's see if we can transform this old rusty thing into a little bit something better than it already is. Y'all watch this heat. I'm gonna get the lights. We're gonna bust them open. We're gonna get the drill. I think I got the drill of the lights back here. Gotta get all this crap out of my truck. Got the lights right here. That's the lights we're going with. Make sure y'all zoomed out. If y'all ain't seen them before, these are lights we're going with. You feel me? Yes, sir. I already got the yellow LED in there, but I think I might change them to white LEDs if I don't like them. But definitely gonna be an upgrade, gang. Tell me. Boom. Come on now. Quit playing. Come on now. Tell me they don't look better. Tell me they don't look better. Ooh, up there. With that black thing. With that black thing. Look how it look already just sitting up there. Quit playing them games. Y'all watch this heat. Alright, y'all. I got one on there. I just want to throw that out there real quick and show y'all what it looked like before I finished it. Try to give you step-by-step process of what I'm doing. Them lights look crazy good, y'all. Crazy good. If y'all missed the install video, the last video of Big X on installing the headlights, man, just go watch that video, man. That's crazy. I still gotta hook up my Tierra logo. I got the wires hanging right there. I'm gonna hook them up, but I want to put them on the switch. I don't want them coming on every time I turn my headlights on, because I ride with my headlights on in the daytime. But what we on today is, yeah, that seal, it's alright. As you see, it got a little bulk right there. See what I'm saying? I don't like that, but maybe when the sun hit it, it'll kind of flatten out. But we'll see. I might have to put a little piece of tape on it Might have to go back and put a little silicone up under them lights. Just I'm gonna have to watch it, make sure it don't leak up there. Cause them new lights, new seals, ain't no telling. But yeah, just give y'all a quick little look at it. Look pretty good. I might just keep the yellow lights in there. They look good with that black. They look pretty good. I like it. But yeah, y'all, we working, baby. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, quick little update. I got that one installed, as you see, and I got all the rest of them out. And I got them sitting there with the old ones. Oh, it's gonna be lovely. Oh, this gonna look so good when I paint this truck, man. I'm trying to tell you, it's going down. Can't wait, it's coming together quick. Thank the Lord for all your blessings, y'all. Every little bit, every one, small, big, it don't matter. Thank the Lord. Look how good that black smoke light look, man. Yes, sir. Y'all watch this heat. I'm gonna get these things stuffed, screwed down. I got all my little new screws in the pack over there. And we rolling and we strolling. No games. Definitely gonna be an upgrade. Definitely gonna be an upgrade, y'all. Hit that like button for the video, boy. Come on now. The cab lights on fleek. Subscribe to the channel, boy. I always go down over here. Tell you, every little detail count, baby. Every little detail count. Watch this heat. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. Boom. There we go. Here, let me close this door so we can get a full view of this thing. In all aspects, man. Ooh. Come on, man. Tell me, man. Look at it, man. Look at how sleek it make it look, man. Just imagine if that roof was blue and this hood was blue, just like the side. Boy, it looks so much more nasty, and the grill was blue. Ooh, can't wait to spray this thing. It's gonna be nasty. It's coming together. Yeah, just like I wanted, baby. Ooh, look at that smoke look. Look at that smoke look, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Hey, man. Yes, sir. Ooh, I'm about to trip over this old trash, man. Look at this, man. Look at this. We went from this to that. You feel me? I mean, self-explanatory, you feel me? We went from this to that. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna definitely, I don't know if we're gonna do the tune-up next first. Probably gonna do all this tune-up stuff, spark plug, wire, distributor cap, all that crap, all that. But we definitely gotta get this new fender. I'm gonna order that new fender. We're gonna do the smoothie bumper like we did on half cast, and the lower vanish. We're getting rid of all this crap in the front, all that fog lights, all that crap, all them brackets. You see a little bracket up under there? It's another one on the other side. That's coming out of here. They done bent the grill. Man, listen, out with the old, in with the new. Watch this heat. I ain't playing no games. Oh, I ain't forget about them fender flare lights back there. So I'm gonna do something with them too. I got some new ones coming for that too. Every light got to be changed. We still gotta change all the lights out on the inside. We got all the lights for the inside, like I said. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Here go one box. I'm about to drop it, trying to show y'all, boys. Yeah, we changing them out. Ooh, they gonna be blue LED. Every light in here getting changed to blue LED. You feel me? We're gonna do this real quick, real easy, real simple, real plain. We're gonna leave the interior OG. We're gonna put some new carpet in that thing. We're gonna fix that dashboard. We're gonna get that double din headline bezel. We're gonna do the sunroof in there. Big panoramic going in here with 1,000 stars. Oh yeah, no games being played, baby. Yes, Lord. We're gonna put them 24s on this thing. Oh yes, Lord. Them dually wheels. Yes, the dually gonna get wheels before Ice Spice, I'm telling you. But Ice Spice gonna get that sauce before Big X. And when I say sauce, I mean sauce. That wet. Y'all see that bumper fill over there? Watch this heat. Ooh, I ain't playing. Let's turn this thing on and see. Let me see if I can get this thing to crank. I ain't even got the key in it. Let's see if it'll crank for us like it did earlier. It's been cranking good. It need a fuel pressure regulator on it. There she go. We gotta do them plugs and wires on this thing. The thing probably never had plugs and wires put on it. Yes, Lord. But anyway, pretty clean looking truck, man. We're gonna build it up. It's gonna be our tow rig to haul Ice Spice in, man. You feel me? Got the DS18 thing in there. I fixed the AC too. I put the blower motor in. Yeah. Y'all heard that? Y'all heard that? I ain't got the AC pumping, but I fixed the blower motor where it's coming in, and it's only working on high. You see what I'm saying? So I gotta figure out what's going on with that and get the compressor to come on and start taking some freon. But yeah, let's turn these lights on, get a look at these cab lights, and we're gonna move on to the next, baby. Oh yeah. And I'm also, man, I'm always give y'all a night view, so y'all know I gotta give my people a night view of stuff, man, not just leave them wondering what it look like at night. For the people that want to see what it look like at night, I will throw a clip at the end of this video of a night view, because that's where it matters. That's what the light's for anyway, really. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Let the church say amen. Yeah, she look a lot better, guys. For real. I ain't playing no game. Hey, how y'all like them lights, man? Man, I'm telling you. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. For the ones that didn't see it. For the ones that didn't see it, it's real. For the ones that didn't see it, we ain't playing no games. Yes, sir, Big X. Waking that thing up little by little. Y'all watch this heat. Subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you never miss a drop like we got like today, man, going on, man. I always got some heat going on. Join the team, join the family. It's going down. And yeah, man, click them bells, man. Leave a comment down below. Y'all watch this last clip or the night view of it. And we out this thing in a minute, baby. Watch this heat. Ooh, watch this heat. Yes, Lord.
Yeah. It's lit up.
Oh yeah, she hit. Yes, sir. Boy, them lights bright, ain't they?